Hello, this is me again for this ninth video. And right now it's about 3:09 and today's date is January 23rd, 2023. Still cloudy and cold. Yep, and these men are still working on it. They were here since January 2nd, about 3 weeks ago, about 21 days. Yep. And look at these men, they're putting up the roof or something, yep. My phone's like a little bit charged for now. Sorry I didn't miss doing sorry I didn't do the other half because I was so busy taking care of things. I hope when this is all over, they'll take the trucks away. This is why I'm making history of the tapings. They're still putting up some tiles for like the roof. They are still doing it. I thought about that Disney comedy I haven't seen in years that stars with Dean Jones and Suzette Frizzell in The Ugly Duckshell in 1966. Haven't seen it in over 20 or 30 years. When I used to watch that on the Disney Channel when I was a kid. I like these Disney movies that Dean Jones did. Even I haven't seen The Great Horse and the Great Final Suit in a very long time. But lately I've been seeing like one of the Herbie movies. Yep. Or Shaggy D.A. and the $1 Million Duck. And I even have Blackbeard's Ghost that he did with Peter Ustinov. And I haven't seen That Darn Cat in 20 years when I used to rent it out on VHS. When I was in the Blockbuster Video Whitestone, Queens. Yeah. Good old Dean Jones. And I haven't seen Monkeys Go Home in 10 years when I got it on VHS, when I got it in the thrift store in Jamaica with the other Disney VHS tapes. In January of 2012, it was a coincidence. In those days, those VHS tapes I got from the thrift store in Jamaica, 49 cents before they went up to 99 cents in around late 2013. Instead of like putting like markers on the items, they used sticker labels. They don't want to be tearing up or something like that. Shoplifted. And nowadays in thrift store in Jamaica, it's nothing. Ever since we moved out of New York, they're still working on the roof. Right now it's about nearly 3:15 in the afternoon. And they did like a pretty good job on the walls and everything today. I know this is the 9th video that I'm just doing. The gold carts might be going in there. They might have like a gate or something. And the other Disney movie series I like that stars with Fred MacMurray, like The Shaggy Dog, and I even liked him in The Absent-Minded Professor. I have the colorized version of it on VHS, and the sequel Son of Flubber, and I do like the musical Extravaganza of the Happiest Millionaire. And also he did other films like Bon Voyage, Follow the Boys, Even Charlie, and The Angel. That was his last film he did for Disney. They're still doing it, just like Carpenters. Just like in the Mickey, Donald, and Goofy cartoon when they're making a boat. Probably made in the late 30s or something. Or maybe there was a Mickey Mouse cartoon like building a house for his elephant friend when Pluto got jealous. Yep, that was a 1936 cartoon. Something I had to rent out in one of those 80s Disney VHS tapes. Like, I seen it in Mickey Knows Best. I remember that. It was the good old days. I used to rent out these Disney cartoon shorts on VHS tapes when I lived in Queens in my generation. Now it's DVDs and Blu-rays and streaming. DVDs, but just still great anyway. And the Blu-ray, I don't know, but the 4Ks, I don't even anticipated it. They're still doing it. Making it into a barn, specifically like a garage. The garage doesn't look that big enough. Let's get together. Harry Mills was singing that in the Parent Trap. She did a lot of films for Disney in her career. In The Parent Trap, the original Pollyanna, In Search of the Castaways, Moon Spinners, Summer Magic, and That Dawn Cat. That's a lot of films Harry Mills did for Disney in the 1960s when she was a juvenile actress. Good old Harry Mills. And then I know she did Trouble with the Angels, but it's not a Disney movie. That was made from Columbia Pictures, 1966, with Rosalind Russell as a nun. The same Rosalind Russell did the role of Auntie Mame in the movie Auntie Mame in 1958. And the musical Gypsy with Natalie Wood and Coral Moulton. At least she's talented, Rosalind Russell. I just can't get these Disney live-action movies off my mind because it's still popular than ever from the old generations. From those Neon Mickeys and Disney Channel syndicated TVs, it was the good old days. I don't need Disney Plus, but that's fine with me. Excuse me about that, just change of weather. You hear the boat whistling? Hopefully a little later after they leave, we'll do aftermath video. If not, maybe tomorrow. Look at all these teenagers. Stuck in my throat. I see 4 men working. Teenagers. Peekaboo. I got you all on camera. You need to be filmed. Yeah. It'll be remembered in 5 or 10 years if you go on YouTube to see how young you are. So the time is right now is about 3:22, almost near approximately 3:30. Gosh, I think my camera needs some charging. Yep. And I do hope you enjoy this night video, like putting up the tiles for like the roof, and try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other videos of like the construction. You just take care. I'll see you a little later. Bye.